Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new here, my name is Ijoma, but you can call me IJ Love. I'm just a Nigerian girl living in the UK, growing, striving, and taking one day at a time while eating this yummy, delicious, tender, finger-licking, finger-sucking chicken wings. Yes, if you're a chicken wing lover, you're a chicken wing, foodie, come and grab a seat. So first off, we're going to start with marinating your meat with the pepper mix. You can add the scotch bonnet if you love heat as much as you can tolerate. Now go ahead, add some smoked paprika flavors, add your thyme, your rosemary, no seasoning cube. Oh, I'm advertising for no salt. Like all those juicy, build up that flavor because we want it to be so yummy and delicious. Like we want that burst of flavor once we take one bite. Now go ahead and marinate it very well. Take your time, massage it like your masseuse will massage you. You understand? Take your time, rub it in, be tender with it. Now once you're done with that, we're going to cover that and set that aside. You can marinate this and leave it overnight, like if you want the flavors to get to the bones, like you want it to sip into the bones, like marinate it, pop it into your fridge, leave it the next day, and then you're going to put it in your oven, and the flavor is going to be bursting. So now we're going to marinate that, tuck that aside, and then we're going to go ahead and prep for our sauce. Now this sauce, mind you can eat it alone, pair it with a corn like I did. You can also eat it with rice, you can eat it with yam, whatever works for you. So I'm using sweet pointed peppers, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, blend that up. Put in my seasoning cubes, curry, paprika, my seasoning, my ginger, garlic. Very important, like be generous with your seasoning, and also test. Don't forget to always test your food before you add more salt or more seasoning or more spices, so you don't get it to be so salty. Yes, it's always good to test while you're cooking. Yeah, so now we're going to go ahead and add some vegetable oils. You can use sunflower oil, whatever oil of your choice. Pour that in there, mix it up together. You can also use this method to cook a proper stew. You can use for, you don't have the energy for the frying and fried tomato fried dish. You just want something healthy, something quick and easy. This can also be another method for you to cook your stew, and it's so easy. Pour everything, one pan stew, pour everything into the pot, pour the seasoning, and you're good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and pop those wings in the oven, and we're going to allow it to bake for 30-40 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. So I put it on, and I had to put my corn, because I love these corns. Just pop this corn in the oven, and you're going to thank me. You're going to thank me later, because if you're eating this coconut with the chicken with pear, like Nigerian native pear, you should try with that. Then some people say they try with butter and the rest. I've not done that. I will try that, but weight loss will not allow me to do that because I feel like I'm eating too much. Now you're going to go ahead and turn it, stir it. Just always remember to cook this in a low heat because you just want it to take its beautiful time. Cook it in a low heat, allow it to cook. Now my chicken are tender, soft, golden brown, just the way I love it. You can see how juicy it is already. Like you can have these wings like this, and the flavors that will explode in your mouth, like you cannot tell it. Now we're going to go ahead and pour that in there, put it inside there, pour it in there, marinate, turn it around, mix it together. Like my toddler, my baby loved this. She was just sucking at it like it was so delicious. For a baby to approve it, a Nigerian baby to approve it, you should know that you're doing something good. You understand? So yes, put that in there, mix it all together. And at this point, if you want to eat this with rice, I think this is now the right time for you to start boiling your rice. So you want it with yam, start boiling your yam. You want it with plantains, start frying the plantains, start roasting the plantains, whatever method you want to use, or whatever side dish or main dish you want to pair this with. I think this is the time to start prepping it, because this can also go for like a nice Sunday dinner, with rice or whatever, plantains and the rest, because this was so yummy. You can also have it with the corn like I did. Mix that up together. See how juicy it is. Like I had to store some of the sauce, and I'm using it for my French fries dip. That's another pro tip. When you're done with this, the remaining sauce, just store it up, and use it as a dip for your French fries, and thank me later. leave all those store bought and the rest. Try this with your French fries and come back to me and tell me how you enjoyed it. Now, I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.